Okay, hello guys, Trailhead Brothers here. Today we're gonna do the project walkthrough of Quick Start Agent Actions. So let's get started. First of all, you have to create a playground. Just follow these instructions here, and then you're good to go. It's pretty easy, very basic. Okay, let's just start. Okay, click on. Okay, let's go from App Launcher to Orders. Okay, let's click on the 9 dots, Orders. Okay, here it is. Let's click here. Okay, let's see. I'm gonna go back and forth between the Trailhead and the Salesforce organization. Choose all orders. Okay, here it is. Here it is. All orders. Okay, then the to do orders will appear. Okay, they play later. So it's good to verify. We can set up agent force. So 2 orders are here. We have verified it now. Okay, in the upper right corner, click setup, and then we have to find Einstein setup and turn on the Einstein. Okay, let's click here on the top right here, setup. In the search bar, we will copy this Einstein setup. We will click here, just click once and wait. It is here. We have to make sure that Einstein is on. Fresh. Okay, then we have to go agent force agents. Okay, agents force agents. Here we are. In the top of the agent bar, click there. Ensure it is set to on. Okay, we have to turn it on. It's on now. Okay, okay, and we have also enable the agent force default agent. Here it is. This one you have to turn it on. Here you can turn it on. It is done. Okay, let's see in the agent name. See, refresh your browser again. Okay, click open in builder. Click open in builder. Wait. In the agent name column, click agent default. Yours will be called instant copper. If you don't see it, okay. Agent instant copper. You have to click this. It's the agent at the bottom, and then we have to click open in builder. In order to make this, you need to ensure the agent isn't active. If you deactivate the right column, click deactivate, then click OK. Okay, we have to click on deactivate and OK. Click deactivate. Okay. Click deactivate and OK. So here we are. Now if your agent is named Einstein, click settings in the upper right and rename it to agent first default. Then click save. Okay, settings, and you have to change this to agent first default. Okay. Continue to the next step. Save. Okay. Now we need to type a standard topic. Click new, add from asset library. Check the box next to journal and click finish. Add from asset library. Here it is, journal, then finish. Okay, click the refresh button to give access to the new topic. Okay. Okay, we have applied the topic. Okay, let's start the conversation. Okay. Okay, let's type our communication. It is loading, is ready now. Tell me about the orders. Okay. Then we have the quick edge communication. And then start this. Analyzing. Okay, it has retrieved both of the orders, so it's going great. Okay, what is the oldest order? Copy paste it. Okay, it is done, and then we have to create a custom action. Okay, let's exit the agent force. Top left. Okay, there are things you cannot do. Okay. Okay, then let's just activate it. Okay, let's go back and leave agent force assets. Here it is. Okay, click actions, click new edit action, flow, initiate return. Actions, new edit action, flow, initiate return. Next. Okay, follow the instructions, copy paste this. For okay, for loading text, paste the following. Okay. Done. Okay. I require input collected of user. So to copy this. Okay. Finish. We are done. Now back to the agent model, agent force agents. Agent force agents here. Agent force default. Open in builder. Click general CRM. Stop exceptions. Deactivate. Please stop. Okay. Just stop actions. Okay, let's create a new version. Okay, click new platform asset library. Okay, new platform asset library. Okay, here initiate return, and then finish. Finish. Okay. Verify that your interaction is still in the list. Okay, click activate. Okay, issues pop up. Ignore and activate. Okay, ignore and activate. Okay, close the setup to return to the sales app. Let's go back to the home tab. Okay, here it is. The home tab is here. Start the home. Okay, we go here. Okay, click the resource button to activate the conversation. Here it is. Here it is. It is ready to chat now. Okay, let's copy this. Okay, it has got the order. Click order number one. No, let's return for this order. Copy paste. Okay, let's see this order. If you go below, let's go to the details. If you go below, you can see it's initiated. Let's go and verify.